It says k be the largest integer such that x minus 1 square plus 2kx plus 11 equals to 0 has no real roots. That means you are looking at imaginary roots for this particular equation, for which the discriminant should be less than 0. That's the first input that we understand from the question. If y is a positive real number, then the least possible value of this expression is what they're asking you. So you are looking at the value of k first from this particular equation, and then looking at the next set of values, which is k by 4y plus 9y. This is a question coming from CAT 2023 paper. Let's have a look at this. Let me express this first as a quadratic equation. This is seemingly like a quadratic equation at the moment, but it is not, because your value is x minus 1 square. So break this down into the conventional quadratic equation format. It will become x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 2kx plus of 11 equals 0. Clear? So your x square will come over here, minus 2x I can take common, so it will become 1 minus of k plus of 12 equals 0. This equation should not have any real roots. That means your discriminant should be less than 0. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. What is b square in this case? 4 times of 1 minus k whole square of that, which is your b square, minus 4ac, coefficient of x square is 1 and c is 12. This value should be less than 0. 4 will go under 0 and become 0, or you are dividing the entire inequality by 4, no problems there. It will become k square plus 1 minus of 2k minus of 12 should be less than 0. So what do we get? K square minus 2k minus of 11 is less than 0. Now look at this, coefficient of k square is positive. That means the graph of k square minus 2k minus 11 must be upwards open. And the discriminant, if you look at this, which is b square, which is 4 minus 4ac, is a positive number. That means it is definitely going to intersect with your k axis at 2 points, correct? And in between these 2 points, you will have the negative values of the entire expression. You want the entire expression to be less than 0. That means between the two roots, you should have the values. And you are now looking at the highest possible integer value of k for this to be negative, correct? So what are the values of k? Minus of b, which is 2, plus minus under root of b square. B square is 4, minus 4ac will turn out to be 44, divided by twice of a, which is 2. If you look at this, it is going to be 2 plus minus under root of 48 divided by 2. Instead of taking 48, you can take it as 49, and you are looking at the highest possible value. So I'm not taking a minus, I'm taking a plus over there. So if I take 49, it will become 7 plus minus of 7. I'm taking the positive value. It will become 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is what? 4.5. So the highest possible value of k in that case will turn out to be what? 4. So your value of k is what we have gotten down to, which is 4. Now we are looking at this particular expression. What this expression says is k by 4y plus of 9y is what the values that you are looking at. The value of k is turning out to be what? 4. So what are we trying to look at? 4 divided by 4y plus of 9y. If you go a little further, you will realize it is 1 by y plus of 9y is what you are trying to find the least possible value of this. If y is a positive real number, then the least possible value of the expression is what we are looking at. So we are trying to find out the least possible value of this. If you look at this, y is a positive real number. You can apply your arithmetic mean and geometric mean concept over here. For any of the two values, the arithmetic mean is always greater than the geometric mean. What is the arithmetic mean of these two numbers? Sum of these two numbers divided by 2 must be greater than or equals to the geometric mean of the numbers, which is 1 by y into 9y to the power of 1 by 2, correct? Now y will get cancelled out. 9 to the power of 1 by 2 will give you what? 3 over here, and 3 into 2 will become what? 6. So 1 by y plus 9y should be greater than or equals to 6 is what we are getting. That means this particular value will be either 6 or always greater than 6. That means the lowest possible value of this expression will turn out to be what? It will turn out to be 6. Option C, 6 should be the correct answer for this question.